Good morning, darlings, and happy Vlogmas! I have been in the Christmassy mood for the past couple of months, and that's why I've decided to start up something new that I have never done before, and that is 12 days of Vlogmas. First things first, I need to run some errands. A nice girl bought off of my Depop last night this beautiful gem that I found in TK Maxx, and I'm gonna wrap it up, go post it, and probably buy some Christmas paper and then start wrapping presents. Just a quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing those high-waisted pants that are very easy to put on and this beautiful white shirt because it's all glowing snowy outside, and we're just gonna go run to the post office very quickly, and that's our attire for this. So just went to the post office, got the parcel sent, and so that's one thing done. Now I'm going outside to walk Sammy because there's still snow outside, and I want him to feel it, to know what it is, because he's probably forgotten, because by tonight the snow is gonna probably melt. But yeah, it's kind of freezing outside, so I'm gonna put the camera away and put my hands in my pockets. Sammy, say hi. Say hi, buddy. So we got back from the outside. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna start wrapping presents with this wrapping paper that I got from the post office. Apparently it's recyclable, so that got me drawn to it. I'm gonna try it out, and it doesn't have anything on it, it's just simple brown paper, but I'm gonna try and make it more Christmassy somehow. So I'm starting off with wrapping, and I'm gonna try and make it look Christmassy. And yes, I am sitting on my doggy's bed because it's comfortable and the floor is cold. So what I'm gonna use is that recyclable wrapping paper. I have those white sheets, you know, like when you buy something from the store and it's wrapped around those. I just wanna have that cool experience when like you're unwrapping your presents. So this is what I ended up with. I think it's really cute, and that's just a little jingly thing to make it a bit more Christmassy, and I think it's a very cute present. Yes, Eddie, that's for you, but you're not allowed to open it before Santa delivers it under the Christmas tree. I just want to quickly show you as well, if you do buy such wrapping paper, you can always like personalize it in a way. Like I've drawn little dots on this square here and on this square here. It's something very simple, but I think it's cute. But if you're good at drawing, I think that one is a really nice opportunity to showcase your skills and to make your family and friends very happy while protecting the planet. So I think that's a win. And I'm back to the drawing board. I have decided that I'm gonna color in the little bit over here. I have drawn little Christmas trees. It's really easy basically, so I'm gonna color them in with the green paint, and I'm gonna try and not put everything on my top. So a little squeeze over here. I'm not even gonna use water because I need to get up again, so I'm just gonna do that. So this is what it ended up looking like. It's cute, and I think it's a really nice idea for you to try on or to wrap up presents with your children or something. I think George is gonna appreciate it. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours later. My camera died, I had to charge it, and I got hungry again, so I'm making a quesadilla now for me and Georgie. That thing took me ages to get it out, and it's a bit burnt, but I think it's still gonna be delicious. This is what I end up with. Georgie's look just as good, if that could be called good, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be delicious, so that's okay. I'm gonna do a test run of my burnt quesadilla. Still delicious. Georgie, how is yours?
It's perfect.
Oh, happy. As a whole, it's going to be a pretty chill night tonight, as almost every other one. I am currently still watching Modern Family, as that's what I do, well, all the time. No matter what I'm doing, that's in the background. We have to go to Tesco later on. I'm just waiting on Georgie to finish work. So we're about to go to Tesco, and just wanted to show you my outfit at the moment. It's Djerf Avenue, as I wear it all the time. I have my thingy on the head because my ears are always freezing, so I cannot go outside with it, and this one is really cute and purple. I'm gonna link it if it's still available, but I don't think it is because Georgie bought it a few months ago and it was still warm. So yeah, that's the outfit. We're gonna go to Tesco, grab something, and then cook the risotto. Yes. Yay! So we're in Tesco now, and I just want to show you that I'm with my sister over here, Eddie, as you probably already know her. And
can you tell we're in Scotland by the music?
So this is the oat milk that we use, and it's the barista edition, and I make shapes on top of it, like a circle, because I can't do anything else. Now I'm gonna do a quick haul of what I got from Tesco. I got eggs. Oh, that's broken. Eddie, that's broken. We got a broken one.
It's okay, you can put tape over.
Okay, I'll put tape over. Don't film me. I got more oats because that's basically what I eat almost every day. I got oat milk because that's what I drink my coffee with. So that's that. We got bread, and last but not least we got coffee. I don't know what is it. Georgie picks it out. Łowacy. So let's get cooking. Very sexy, very green.
Looks like Shrek cooked something.
But it's delicious.
It is.
Yeah, my sister wanted me to make it, so that's for her.
For her. Everybody's gonna eat that.
Yeah, that's usually nobody eats my food, but this time everybody's gonna eat it, so good. So something fun happened while I was cooking, and the risotto almost burned because of it, but I'm glad I did it. So Matilda Djerf you know, Djerf Avenue. I'm obsessed with it. Yes. So she's making a Christmas party this Sunday, and apparently she's sending a link, and only 100 people can enter. The quickest one can enter basically. And I saw it, and I just left everything, and your girl's going to a Zoom party. Yay! So that's what I ended up with. That's my lovely portion of pea risotto and a bacon that Georgie just did. And yeah, I'm just gonna dig into it. We're gonna start watching a movie. How is it called? Taking Lives with Angelina Jolie. I have never seen it before, so I'm gonna give it a try. And that's why I'm gonna end the vlog here. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!